You are welcome to Sir Joe Math class. If you haven't subscribed to the page, please subscribe to the page, leave a comment, share with your friends. And then if you are a math teacher and you find this page useful, kindly recommend it to your students and your colleague teachers as well. Today we are going to look at algebraic expression leading to what? Simultaneous equation. But I will remind you, if you haven't watched the video with the title, The Secret of Solving Algebraic Expressions, please watch it. You will understand what we are going to do it or how we are going to derive the equation very well. But then let's look at the question. The question is saying that the cost of a packet of sugar is Ghana X cedis and a tin of milk is Ghana Y cedis. If 3 packets of sugar and 4 tins of milk is Ghana 6 cedis 35 pesos and 4 packets of sugar and 3 tins of milk cost Ghana 6 cedis 95 pesos. A. Write two equations connecting x and y, that is the cedis. B. Find the cost of I, a packet of sugar, I, a tin of milk, I, 5 packets of sugar and 3 tins of milk. So let's try and write this statement in mathematical symbols or in a math form. So let's write our solution. Right? So let's say that because we know that we have a milk and what? Sugar. So let's say x be what? The cost of sugar be the cost of sugar, and then y be the cost of milk. As we have analyzed this or getting to know this, the question is saying that if 3 packets of sugar, by the sugar we have x to be the cost of sugar, so how much will 3 cost? Do you get it? How much will 3 cost? So it is going to give us the first expression. If 3 packets of sugar, by the sugar is what? X. So we are going to have 3x, because 3 times x, and x being the cost will let us know the actual price. And 4 tins of milk is so plus 4. And we know that we said y be the what? Cost of milk, so 4y is equal to, when you add them together, the price is what? 6 is 35 pesos. So we are going to get 6.35. So we have our equation 1. Now let's continue. It is also saying that and 4 packets of sugar. So we also have 4 sugar x plus 4 packets of sugar and 3 tins of milk. So we have 3 times y is equal to 6 cedis 95 pesos. Equation 2. This is what we are going to get. But then if you want to solve this equation, you can use elimination method, but then a substitution method. And if you want to use elimination method, let's focus on x. Let's eliminate x. What you have to do is multiply equation 1 by 4, the coefficients of the second equation, and multiply the second equation by the coefficients of what? The first equation. Now, another video I will recommend aside the secret of solving algebraic expression is I have done another tutorial about The secret in solving simultaneous equation by elimination method. The secret in solving simultaneous equation by elimination method. So that is what we are going to do. When you go there, we have almost 7 rules in solving them. You will get them. So let's apply one rule. Multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3. Someone asked, where did you get the 4 from? You are multiplying equation 1 by the coefficient of x and equation 2 by coefficient of 3, just because we want to eliminate x. So let's multiply equation 1 by 4. So here we are going to get equation 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to get 12x plus 4, 16y is equal to, so we have 6.35 times 4, and it is going to give us 25.4. So it is going to give us 25.4. Since it is what, 2 decimal places, let's add 0. Then this is going to give us equation 3. Do you get it? Equation 3. Now the second part is that we should multiply equation 2 by 3. That is the coefficient of 1. So 3 times 4 will give us 12x plus 3. You have 9y. You have 3 times 6.95. 3 times 6.95. Yes. You use your calculator. You are going to get 20.85. So it's equal to 20.85. Now we get equation 4. Now we are going to solve equation 3 and 4 simultaneously. Now we've moved from equation 1 and 2 to equation 3 and 4. So what we have to do is that we are saying we are going to eliminate the x in the equations. So what we are going to do is to say equation 1 minus equation 3 minus equation 4. Equation 1 minus equation 4. I'm reminding you, the secret in solving simultaneous equation by elimination method. Watch that video and you will understand all this. I'm saying, since we want to eliminate x, we have to check the coefficients. Now the coefficients are the same. You check the multiplication sign. If they are addition, you subtract. If one is negative, you what? You will add a whole lot. So you visit that video, you are going to get the understanding. Now equation 3 minus 4, it means that this equation, we are going to deduct this from it. So 12x minus 12x, it is going to give you 0. 16 minus 9 is going to give you 7y. So we have 7y is equal to, we have 25.40 minus 20.85, and it is going to give us 4.55. 4.55. So 4.55, let's divide both sides by y. 7. So we are dividing both sides by 7. So we are going to get y is equal to Ghana 0 cedis 0.65 pesos. So this tells us that the cost of 1 milk is what? 65 pesos. Now let's look at the cost of what? Sugar, a packet of sugar. Now we are going to put y into equation, any of the equation 1 or 2, or any of the equations above. Even equation 1 or equation 2, equation 3, equation 4, any of them, it will work. Then it is saying put y is equal to 0.65 in equation 1. So the equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 6.35. 2.35. That is the equation 1. So let's put y in equation 1 and get the price for x. So we are going to get 3x plus 4, but then y is 0.65 is equal to 6.35. So we have 3x plus, so 4 times 0.65 is going to give us 2.6. So we have 2.6, but it's in 2 decimal places, so 0.68 is equal to 6.35. So we have 3x is equal to 6.35 minus 2.60, which is going to give us 6.35 minus 2.60. It is giving us 3.75. So 3x is equal to 3.75. So let's divide both sides by 3. Let's divide both sides by 3. So this will cancel this. So x is equal to is what? 1.25, right? 1.25. Let's check something. This is our A, solution A, right? Solution A. But let's look at BI. B is saying that a packet of sugar, but we say that the sugar is X, and we know that the X is what? 1.25. So BI. So BI we say a packet of sugar costs 1 cedi 25 pesos. I a tin of milk costs Ghana cedi 0.65 pesos. It is saying that 5 packets of sugar and 3 tins of milk. 5 packets of sugar. 5 packets of sugar. So 5 packets of sugar is 3x plus and 3 tins of milk. 3 tins of milk, so it's 3y. So this will give us, we know that x is for what? A packet of sugar, and y is for what? A tin of milk. So let's fix in the figures. So we have 5. X is what? X is a packet of sugar. That is 1.25 plus 3. Y milk 0.65. So this is giving us 5 times 1.25. It is giving us 6.25 plus 3 times 0.65. It is also giving us 1.95. So let's add them together. So we have plus 6.25. So we are getting 8 cedis 20 pesos. This is 8.2. But since we are dealing with 2 decimal places, so the cost is Ghana 8 cedis 20 pesos. This is a Joe math class. If you find this page useful and you are a math teacher, recommend it to your student. And then if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the page, like the page, leave a comment. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. Thank you.